How to check out on Temu. First things first, if you're going to be using your mobile phone through the Temu application or even on your laptop or PC by their browser's official page, then the process is going to be the same. So first thing that you want to do is to log in using your account. So if you haven't registered yet, you can register by using your Google Mail or even your Facebook account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you just have to choose on specific product in which you're trying to purchase. So for example, if you would like this product, just simply click on that. And if you're using your laptop, you will be redirected to another page, which is going to be the same category on the product that you wish to buy. And here, just simply click on this cart icon and it will automatically be added to your cart. Now on your cart, you just have to click on all of the products that you have added, and then in here you can try to select multiple products in which you will have to check out. So for example, you would like to check out this item. The right side or the right portion of your screen is going to be the details of your payment methods, your security certifications and all. And then once you have fully set it up, you have to verify and confirm your address on where the product will be shipped out. And once verified, you just have to click on checkout, and there you go. That's how you check out on Temu.